Happy Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience for now. 10 minutes of our day. We do it together. Okay. So before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, how is that? Go ahead and hashtag your mood. How are you feeling today? Say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. If you're new to me, my name's Puert, also known as Super Agent. I'm an international speaker, public educator, creator and founder of many cool things like the Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, Ready Set Real Estate Show, which is our feature show on this channel. Remember, Shift Your Thinking is a bonus series where we do personal development. And I am author of the Real Estate 100 book series and many other published books that are sold internationally. I am creator of the Property Owners EDU Conference, co-creator of Spirit of Business miniCourse with my sis, Rob Bay of Trail Alchemy. And again, if you'd like to stay connected and learn more about what I'm into and creating, go ahead and check out lasuperagent.com. And be sure to turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. And if you are a YouTuber, please check out our YouTube channel at LA Super Agent. I'm on all your favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at LA Super Agent. All right, shout out to our radio podcast listeners who are connecting with us on either Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, Anchor, Breaker, CastBox. I want to continue to thank you for supporting our channel, downloading our episodes, and growing with us. Be sure to invite somebody, let them know what we're doing, both on this channel, including Ready Set Real Estate, where we discuss the flips, flops, booms, and busts, and special guest millennial features on our show. Again, remember that show. This channel supports Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, which is this country's first real estate focused nonprofit for the youth and young adults, where we seek, teach, and empower them with real estate terms, concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success. All right, now that I've gotten that out the way, this is an audio only today. I had a long day today and just working on a series of events, negotiations, getting through the day-to-day of real estate. You know, the more, it's so funny, as I either approach the summer, it's amazing how there are so many things that's happening. So I'm hosting about 4 events per month. I'm very involved with our local boards. I sit as vice chair for the Young Professionals Network and BOD for the NAREP LA South Bay chapter, involved with the Hispanic Real Estate Professionals Association, involved with Southwest, LA, Inglewood board, and we've launched Ready Set Real Estate now offline. So we're going to have a series of presentations and workshops coming soon. So again, if you're local in the greater LA area, please, I invite you to come out and support any of the events that I have. It's a great way to stay connected, great way to stay abreast on market trends, news, and things that are happening and directly impacting your day-to-day, albeit you're a real estate professional and or a consumer who's either selling or buying real estate. All right, as we continue our series of Dean Del Cesso's 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives, I am in episode 143, and I'm going to caption this, Short is, I'm reading the caption. I'm like, man, this is such a good one. Shortcut, short change. I like that. Shortcut, short change. Episode 143. I'm calling shortcut, short change. I'm in the section where he says a shortcut rarely is. He says if at the end of your life you totaled up all the time you thought you saved by taking shortcuts, you'd probably be in the negative in more ways than just time. Go ahead and let me know if you thought about if you've taken shortcuts only to find out that you wasted more time. It ended up costing you more in the long run. So press 1 if that's you. He says, as an impatient person, my first instinct when put to task is to think about how fast I can get things done, not always how right I can get things done. He says that usually comes second. Not that my thinking is flawed, but more often than not, I spend more time doing it the short way, and others are impacted by my second-hand quality. He says, I also feel that I'm gambling with my integrity. Ooh, drop in the comments, integrity. He says, depending on the task or initiative, risking a shortcut can mean risking safety, your job, your health, your reputation, and perhaps your life. He says, so meditate for a moment on the risk of shortcuts in contrast to doing it right. Go ahead and drop in the comments, do it right. He says, and consider the value of consistency and solid results in character versus hits and misses. Idiot versus genius is as simple as I can put it. I must admit, he says, however, there is an adrenaline rush that comes with crazy shortcut ideas like tying the lawnmower to a tree trunk, taping the throttle on full, and letting the mower wrap around the tree until the lawn is done. It's funny because cartoons will give you all those kinds of ideas about doing things in a shortcut way. The what if, this were possible, the hypotheticals. He says, but more than likely the neighbor's flower bed winds up trashed, a car gets dented, and the lawn looks like a bad haircut. He says, don't get me wrong, I'm all for efficiency, but these days I'm more about effectiveness. Go ahead if that resonates with you. It's more important to be effective. Press 1 if you care about being effective. He says, as society's intolerance for mediocrity is growing by the day, and its demand for things to be done right is more expected than appreciated, odds are that doing it right will always be more effective. He says, more profitable and more fulfilling than taking shortcuts and strengthening the bondage of impatience. All right, short, sweet, and powerful, but it wasn't a shortcut. Join me today and think about that one thing that you're thinking about doing, that task, and focus on what is possible about it. What are the results? The longevity, the long game about doing it the right way. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.